Oh, hey, what's up, TJ?
You turned Padme against me.
What?
You no longer have the higher ground, Obi-Wan. You underestimate my power.
Right. Okay, well, this is TJ, and I'm Fox, and this is Calm TV.
Chad McBride here.
And I'm Rick McGuire.
COM is holding its ever first fall graduation this December.
All students eligible to graduate must submit a graduation application by October 31st. Make sure you talk to your advisor for more information. And now on to us with sports. Hello, my name is Chad McBride.
And I'm Rick McGuire.
We're here to tell you that there will be a 3-on-3 basketball tournament.
This Wednesday at the gym at 2 p.m.
Ooh. Oh, is that our tooth?
Student Life is hosting a leadership workshop every Thursday through November 19th at the Conference Center.
The workshop will help transform students into leaders through various resources. The resources will help develop job skills, self-confidence, and innovation. Every time! LB, look, you fired the last 3 guys because they couldn't get the job done. That's why you hired me, the best, okay? I got award-winning people coming in. I'm bringing in Victor Fleming and Ben Hecht, okay? Give me 5 days, I'll get you an award-winning script. Okay, ta-ta. Please tell me Fleming and Hecht are on their way. But, okay, that doesn't matter right now. Copy this down. I want this in the book, okay? I want it about this book, Gone with the Wind. It's a classic, and plus, Margaret Mitchell and I had a thing going on, but don't write that down. I also want it to be about love, romance, the Civil War, and I want it to have a little controversy in it. It was the 1800s after all. We can't shy over that. Now, read that back to me.
Moonlight Magnolias ends this Sunday. COM students and employees get them for free. com.edu/theater. Visit for more info.
I like it. What if we shorten it to just Moonlight Magnolias? Boom. The name sells it all.
The faculty art exhibit ends this Sunday.
It's free and open to the public. Now, this beauty won't be there, but you will see works from our very own instructors, such as Mayuko Ono Gray and COM Theater's own Kurtz Meyer. Now, I hope to see you all there because this is only for beautiful people, and that means all of you.
Student Life is hosting a theater, no, never mind.
Write this down.
Oh, wait. I was like,
There's nothing you can do about it, James Bond. Yes, I know that's from Austin Powers. Don't come at me, fanboys. We're the star QBs of COM Theater. What? My Gucci.
good?
I think we're good.
Okay, all right. What's your name again?
Leadership workshop every Thursday through November 19th at the Conference Center.
I forgot. That quick.
That's like the whole time.
Give me the first word. I just need the first word.
TV with Garrett.
And this is Calm TV.
Why are we in sand? I hate sand.
Oh my gosh. Oh.